If you are looking for a marketing solution to promote your product or services, we have something for you. Hi, I'm Austin, the marketing advisor in Smile. We are going to create a unique campaign for you to increase your sales in the next 2 months. Hi, I would like to share with you the 5 different steps to achieve the new campaign. Step number 1, we'll need to understand your business better. So, looking at your website, reading up your industry, and of course, understanding your top 10 competitor, how do they advertise, what kind of ads do they put out, and how does the ad performs. It's very important for us to make the decision. On top of this information, we will also want to know what is the product or services that are most profitable to you and your business. Then we will use those information to decide on the best campaign that suits you. Step number 2, keyword research. When I determine what keyword to use for my campaign, I will go to Google and check the volume. How many people are searching for this keyword per month? And I would like to know how popular is this topic. How much is the cost per click for this keyword? Then I also would want to know what is the search intent of the keyword. When someone searches for this keyword, what actually showed? Step number 3, design planning of your landing page. When we talk about landing page, first thing we'll look at the copywriting of your campaign. Copywriting of your campaign consists telling people the benefit and the benefit and the benefit of your product and services. Then together with what we found in the previous step, which is what keyword to use, combined with the benefit, we can draft a headline that attracts your audience. The second thing we need to look at is the image. The image is very important because this is the visual first thing that what people see. It can be bought in a stock image, it can be found in a free stock image, or we can do our own photo shoot. And the last thing that I want to highlight is actually, it's not the last, it's actually 2 things. Color and the font. Color is important to give a contrast of your landing page, your logo, your photo, and your font. And also represent the brand identity. The last thing that we need to discuss is the font. The font represents a personality. It can be formal or informal. And it can also represent different mood. So let's put all these things together and we will come out with a landing page design. Step 4, choosing the right WordPress template. There are thousands of templates in the internet. So how do we find the right one? It is not only the look and feel and the resolution of the template that we're looking into. We need to know the review. How many people purchase that template and when is the last update of the template. The last thing we want is to buy a template that has not been updated for years. If this is the case, when WordPress update or any plugin updates, there might be compatible issue and you might need to redo a website because of that. Once we have chosen our website template, we will go into development and optimize the on-site SEO. Step number 5, Google Ads. Objective is to generate leads into your landing page. So we will create 2 to 6 different ad title, optimize it and make sure it is eye-catching for the right audience. 2 to 6 ads will be used for A/B testing. We will want to know every single ad's performance and their conversion rate. So we will optimize and revise it to 1 or 2 ads that run in the long run. And of course, we will set up a conversion tracking so that you can also keep track of your ROI and the result in your campaign. Thanks for staying to the end of the video. For people who stay with us, we have a very special gift for you. If you know anyone that can benefit from our marketing services, refer to us and we are going to give you a $400 Capital Mall voucher as a token of appreciation. I will see you in our next video. Remember to call us, email us, or contact us for any question.